Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to use Autozoom feature on navigation in this car. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Now you need to find the settings. So the settings should be under this gear icon at the bottom of the list. And then you are in the system settings tab. So let's choose here the second tab, which is the navigation settings. And from navigation settings, you can scroll down a few times until you see here the auto zoom, as you can see right here. So this is the system scaling engine. So when you are driving fast on a straight road, it zooms you out to give you a bird's eye view. And if you are approaching a turn, as you slow down for a maneuver, it automatically zooms in to show you the specific street corner. So it's an amazing feature. As you can see, I've got this enabled, but you can also enable or disable it anytime just by using this toggle. So I think the logic is that it keeps the most relevant information in focus based on the current velocity. So let's enable this feature. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.